Yeah, hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, a co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, let's talk about how to make money online, how to do your own online company, how to do investment, and how to start arbitrage. Right now, today, I want to show you how you can do Binance P2P arbitrage. So this one, I'm doing this one for beginners. So if you know you're expert, you can ignore this video. But if you want to learn more, that's the own thing. Yeah. So first of all, I'll leave Binance link in the description in case you are new to this platform and you want to register to this platform. I'll leave the link in the description so that you can register on this platform and also benefit. Yeah. So right now, comparing Binance and Xness, Binance rate is very good. Yeah. Right now, I think Binance is 12.550 or 12.51. You can get one USDT. Yeah. But the reason why mostly people use Xness is that Xness withdrawing and depositing is what is free. But Binance, when you are withdrawing, it's not free unless it's P2P. You said that then. But I will show you how you can connect those tools to make money. Yeah. But today I want to show you how you can do your P2P arbitrage the correct way so that you will not be scammed and so that you can also make extra money. Yeah. So when you open your platform or when you open your dashboard of your Binance, this is how it looks like. Yeah. So before you can start your P2P arbitrage, you have to what deposit. Yeah, deposits. So I've deposited 10 USDT to show you, but let me show you how you can do it. You go to deposit. You see, there's more ways of depositing money in on this platform, but you choose deposit through crypto. And if you don't have any USDT or any cryptocurrency anywhere, you will not choose this one. You choose P2P here. So you buy the USDT from PayPal over here. So it means that the reason why I chose the I chose what the crypto is that I have more cryptocurrencies. So I'll just transfer it and make money from it. You see, this platform when I want to buy crypto is this one is 12.49, but I can buy 12.49 and sell it 12.51. You make 0.02. That means that you see, so you can buy your USDT over here. But in this case, I have cryptocurrency. So I will not bother myself to buy cryptocurrency. So I'll go to deposit. But if you don't have some, you have to buy some from here. I'll go to cryptocurrency, deposit cryptocurrency. Then I'll choose the USDT. So it will come, I'll choose this one. And the wallet I want to do my deposit inside, I will choose I have to know it's the Tron, the TRC20. Yeah. So this is your generated address. So you copy the address, then I'll go to Xness because I have 230.88 USDT over here. Yeah. So I have to transfer the money from this platform to Binance to do my P2P arbitrage. Because like me withdrawing money from this platform, like the rate is I think 12.4 something. Let me see one USDC 12.33. So I think that place is very lucrative, it's very nice and it's very profitable. Yeah. So I'll go to withdrawal and I'll choose this one and I'll paste my Binance address over here. And the money I want to send, let's say I want to send 10. You see that? So it means that when I prompt it, it's like I'll receive the 10 USDT exactly in my Binance. No fee. One thing about exchange is that withdrawing money and like depositing money, it's free. It's free. They will not charge you anything. It's free. That's why I always use this and Binance to do my arbitrage. But today I want to show you how you can do it with only Binance. So right now I've sent the 10 USDT in my account. So how can I do my arbitrage or my P2P trade on this platform without being scammed? So as a beginner, you have to listen to this very carefully. So if you want to do, you go to trade, then you go to your P2P, your P2P. Yeah. So you will not click on the buy. You go to sell, the sell, the sell. Yeah. So right now, if you want to sell one USDT, that means what is like 12.50. But you have to be careful. So let's say I want to jump with this person. And when I deposit money on, listen to this very carefully. So, because like if I said I have 10, they will say insufficient balance. You know the reason why? If you deposit money to Binance through USDT address, the money will be in the spot wallet or the fiat wallet. But before you can do your P2P trade, unless the money is in your founding wallet. So before you can do this thing, unless I add or unless I exchange the money or transfer the money from sports wallet to what founding wallet, you see that thing. So let's say I want to do the 10. So you see, so I'll confirm it. So right now it's no more in the sports wallet against it's in my funding wallet. So I'll go on and refresh the page. So you see that everything will change right now. So people will be like, "Oh, bro, I've deposited money in my account." When I go to P2P, they still say that I don't have enough fund. So that's why I've done this. So if I go to sell, you see that I will say that the balance is what 10 USDT. So if I click on the 10, you see that there will not be any like insufficient balance. So this is how you do your P2P arbitrage. And please know this well. So I'm about to do some trade with this person. Watch it. I hope you're watching it. Yeah. Sell. You will get some message from Binance and you have to take that message very carefully. Do not release crypto before confirming the money available balance has arrived in your payments account. Do not trust anyone claims to be customer support in this chat. Customer support does not contact users via phone call, messenger, or other platform, and not asking for personal information, not scanning QR code. Do not scan any QR code provided by anyone via WhatsApp. Beware of scammers. People will still read this thing and will not pay attention to it. So when I open this thing, it means that after this trade or this arbitrage, I have to receive 125 in my mobile money address, in my mobile money wallet. And one thing that people always get scammed is like you can get a message that you have received 120 something Ghana cedis, then they'll release the crypto. Mistake number one, don't do that. Mistake number one, when you receive a message, dial your star 170 hash, go to your wallet, check your wallet, and see that the money is in your account exactly before you release the crypto. And you have the USDT. So don't let anyone put any pressure on you that yo, like I've sent to you. Meanwhile, you haven't get any message. Then you release it. Don't do that mistake. So you jump to a trade with a person like this. So it means that right now you're in a trade with the person. So there will be a time limit on it. So right now, 12 minutes, the person have to what to send you the money. So have you seen it? I've gotten the message that the person I've what I've sent the money. So although I have the normal message that I've received 125, but still I have to go on to my star 170 and go to wallet and go to my wallet and still check that, okay, yeah, I have the money in my wallet. Right now, I'll check that I have the money in my wallet. So you go here, payments received, because at first I was having like, yo, you have to be extra careful. Yeah. So at first I was having one, and right now I have one, two, four. So it means that I've received money from Max Enterprise, and the reference is the same. So then you go to payments received. So you go to here, payments received. You check this. I have not received payments from the person. No. So you go to I have received payments. Yeah, I've received payments. Then you go on, click on this thing. Then you enter. This one is my own. It's my own this thing. Then I'll go on. Successfully sold. Okay, that's how you have to do your P2P trade on Binance. I hope you get it. So I'll leave the link in the description in case you want to do it. So right now, I have uh, I've sold the 10 USDT for 125 Ghana cedis, and I have it in my wallet. So thank you for watching me, and I'm out.